Have you ever found yourself tangled in a web of code, trying to make sense of regular expressions? It can be quite the challenge, right? If you're working on an F# project and need to replace text with Regex, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to specify Regex replacements for different capturing groups in F#. I totally understand how frustrating it can be when you're trying to manipulate strings and the Regex just doesn't seem to cooperate. You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers face similar challenges when working with Regex replacements. Let's take a closer look at the specific question at hand. One user recently asked, how can I replace the double asterisks surrounding text with bold tags in F#? They provided an example where the text, "This is double asterisk bold," should be transformed into "This is bold." Sound familiar? If you're facing a similar issue, let's explore the solution together. So what's the challenge here? The user is trying to use the Regex replace method with a pattern that captures text between the double asterisks. However, they want to replace each capturing group with different tags, which can be tricky. Let's break this down step by step. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a pro tip that will make your Regex replacements even easier. To begin solving this problem, the user should first define the regular expression pattern. The pattern will identify the text surrounded by double asterisks. The user can use the pattern *****, followed by any characters and then another *******. Next, the user will utilize the regex.replace method. This method allows for a custom replacement function, which is essential for replacing different capturing groups with specific tags. Now the user should implement the replacement logic. In this logic, the first capturing group will be replaced with the opening tag, and the second capturing group will be replaced with the closing tag. This can be done using the match.groups property. Finally, the user can test the implementation. They should run the code with a sample input string to ensure that the text is correctly transformed from Markdown to HTML. Fun fact, regular expressions are often called regex, and they can be both powerful and perplexing. They were first developed in the 1950s, and today they are used in programming languages all over the world. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests using a different regex pattern. The user recommends using the regex and replacing matches with $1. This captures the text between the bold markers and wraps it in bold tags. Now, let's shift our focus to a different response. An alternative approach suggests capturing only what you need to keep. Instead of matching the entire pattern, use the regex pattern ***** and replace it with $1. This way, the text inside the asterisks is preserved. If you expect line breaks between the asterisks, add the single line modifier to your pattern. This allows the regex to match across multiple lines. That wraps up that answer. Let's move on to another one. An alternative approach suggests capturing the inner text instead of the surrounding asterisks. This way, you can directly use the captured group in your replacement string. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always test your regex patterns with different inputs to ensure they work as expected. This can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. You now know how to specify regex replacements for different capturing groups in F#. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more coding tips and tricks.